Somebody asked me, are you going on holiday this summer? I replied, I've not worked hard enough to go on holiday this summer. Personally, through my own personal assessment of my life and progress so far this year, I feel I still have more work to do. In life, I've discovered that just because everyone is doing something, or it's the natural or normal thing to do, doesn't mean you have to do it. Yes, July and August is designed for that holiday season to go away, 3 weeks here, 2 weeks here, and so on and so forth. But you need to personally ask yourself, have you still got work on your table to do? Because that work will still be there. Whether you leave it or you do it, that's the option you have. If you leave it, you will still come back to it. So that's for my personal assessment of myself, I still have work to do, so I'm still gonna sit and work hard. Because I believe the summer season is a time of real hard work. And then when it comes to September, you're flowing. Many of us don't really have time to focus on our personal tasks or personal assignments because we're doing different things throughout the year. From September to December, we're perhaps working, we're in school, quick Christmas holidays, and we're back again January through to June or so, and then maybe you get a few weeks in July. That time in July is really when you get time for yourself. And this is the time you really need to use to develop yourself and to schedule and plan for the upcoming year. In school, I knew that I couldn't go on holiday in the middle of an exam season. I mean, you prepare for an exam, you take the exam, and then when the results come out, then you can celebrate. So far this year, I've been doing a lot of preparing, and I feel this summertime is my exam time. So I'm getting ready to take the exam, and by God's grace, the results will come out positively and we'll begin to make progress in life. Then I can go on holiday and rest. So I just want to challenge you to personally assess yourself. Do you have you earned your holiday this summer? Have you earned a long holiday this summer? Yeah, short holidays is good. And there is a place for holidays. I'm not saying that holiday is bad, but there is a place for it. But just make sure there's balance in your life and you're not leaving work undone, which we will meet. God bless you. Have a great week.